actors of kids for children younger than 15. Tapos, the mean age is 4.9. So, you can imagine, kasi yung patient namin is already 66 years old. So, when the respiratory system is ruptured, like what happened to our patient, the patient is at risk for peritonitis and even sepsis. The patient is also at risk for other conditions that may result as a combination of the ruptured cyst. In our case, we also presented with duodenal perforation and serosal there in the jejunum. So, with duodenal perforation, a penetrating culture usually of the duodenum may perforate directly into the peritoneal cavity. In our case, it was the necessary stage. But if the perforation occurs on the posterior wall, this usually becomes small. So, why did we choose this case? Kasi so far, sa lahat ng mga cases na nakita natin dun sa surgical ward, ito yung pinaka-toxic. Saka yung pinaka-interesting kasi masyado maraming complications na rare na nga yung necessary case. Rare pa siya.
Parang sinabi mo sa amin, di toxic.
Sa mga patients who are adult patients. At saka, tiniginasa kasi, gusto namin malaman kung what can we do to help
Muna paksit ka, muna paksit.
Kasi pag nakita na yung patient namin that time, masyado na siyang toxic in appearance and talagang maawas pa niya
Isa kang beta blockers, lol.
So, our objective in this case is to obtain a more extensive understanding of the mechanism, the disease process, and the complications of necessary cyst rupture with duodenal perforation and serosal there in the jejunum.
Medyo natin lahat sa loob.
So, yung ginamit naming framework for this case is yung human systems model. This provides a comprehensive system-based conceptual framework. The purpose of the model is to provide a unified focus for approaching wide range of nursing concerns. So, kasama dito yung sa human systems model, we take into consideration the client, the environment in which the client resides or where the client is, the health of the client, and of course, the nursing care that is provided to the client. So, yung sa human model, tinitake into consideration din dito yung lines of defense that the patient has. So, in connection to the nursing process, if we know kung anong lines of defense na kung saan strong yung patient, we will able to assist the patient in enhancing yung lines of defense niya para makarecover siya or ma-gain niya ulit yung energy niya to recover from her illness.
Ako, nagkamali na.
So, we have a patient's profile next.
Pogi talaga ni Roxanne. Ito yung kakambal. Humarap.
Yun.
Puro.
Wala rin siya allergy sa mga drugs. Saka,
May nagpapalitan ng bato.
Tapos, yung obligatory history mo yung the patient had preliminary at 14 years old at saka RLT soaking 5 hours per day at saka greater ABA. Bali, day yung nabubuhay na
Puto, makaharap pa.
Video mechanical ka.